In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build login/signup on Flutterflow 2026. Step by step. We'll start inside Flutterflow by creating a new project. After signing in, click Create New Project. Then choose whether you want to begin with a blank project or use a template. If you're following along for learning purposes, a blank project usually makes it easier to understand exactly how everything is being built from scratch. Once the project is ready, head over to Settings and connect the app to Firebase. This is an important part because Firebase will handle the authentication for your users. After the connection is complete, enable Firebase Authentication and then make sure the email and password sign-in method is turned on in your Firebase project. Without this, the login and sign-up actions in Flutterflow won't work correctly. Next, create a new page for registration and name it Sign Up. On this page, add the fields your users will fill out. You can include a name field if you want, although that one is optional. Then add an email field, a password field, a confirm password field, and finally a sign up button. Keep the layout clean and easy to understand so users can move through it without confusion. After that, select the sign up button and open the actions panel. Add the create account authentication action, then connect it to the email and password fields you added on the page. Make sure those fields are mapped correctly, since this is what tells Flutterflow which user input should be used during account creation. Then choose where users should go after a successful sign-up, such as your home page. Now create another page called Login. This page should include an email field, a password field, and a login button. You can also add a forgot password link if you want to prepare the page for future improvements and a more complete user experience. With the login page set up, select the login button and add the login authentication action. Connect the email and password fields, then choose the page users should see after logging in successfully. This is typically the main screen of your app. To make the experience feel complete, add navigation between the two pages. On the login page, create a link that says create an account and connect it to the sign up page. On the sign up page, add a link like already have an account, log in, and have it return users to the login page. Finally, test everything using run or preview. Create a new account, sign out, and then log back in using the same credentials to confirm the flow works properly. When everything looks good, save the project, build for Android, iOS, or web, and continue expanding the app with features like user profiles, password reset, and email verification.